Understanding Peaceful Harmony. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. In today's video, we're diving into the serene and beautiful concept of peaceful harmony. We'll uncover the depths of these words and how they intertwine to create a profound meaning, especially in relationships, society, and within ourselves. So, let's get started and immerse ourselves in the tranquility of peaceful harmony. Peaceful and harmony are two words that resonate deeply on their own, but when combined, they form a powerful expression. Peaceful, in its essence, represents a state of tranquility, quiet, and calmness, free from disturbance or conflict. Harmony, on the other hand, refers to a pleasing arrangement of parts, balance, and congruence. It's often used to describe the compatibility in music, relationships, or any system working together seamlessly. In this section, we explore each word individually to fully grasp their meanings before we see how beautifully they blend together. When we talk about peaceful harmony, we're referring to a state where peace and harmony coexist and enhance each other. It's not just the absence of conflict, but the presence of a positive, nurturing environment where everything works together in perfect balance. This phrase can be applied in various contexts. In personal relationships, peaceful harmony describes a relationship where individuals understand, respect, and complement each other, creating a tranquil and supportive atmosphere. In society, it represents a community where diversity is celebrated, conflicts are resolved peacefully, and the well-being of every member is prioritized, resulting in a balanced and cohesive social fabric. Within oneself, it's about inner peace and balance, where your thoughts, emotions, and actions are in alignment, leading to a state of well-being and contentment. Achieving peaceful harmony might seem like a daunting task, but it's possible with conscious effort and understanding. In this section, we discuss practical steps and mindset shifts that can help individuals, communities, and societies move towards this serene state. From effective communication and empathy in personal relationships to social justice and environmental sustainability on a larger scale, we explore how every action counts towards creating a world of peaceful harmony. Thank you for joining us in exploring the profound concept of peaceful harmony. We hope this video has shed light on the beauty and significance of this phrase and inspired you to seek and create peaceful harmony in your own life and the world around you. Remember, every step towards understanding and balance brings us closer to a more peaceful and harmonious existence. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.